5 Best Rotary Tools. The item number 5 is Tacklife PCG01B 3.7 volts. 24 months warranty. Every Tacklife tool is thoroughly inspected and tested before leaving the factory. If quality problems happen in guaranteed period, Tacklife will maintain for free. If you have any problem about Tacklife, the item number 4 is Dremel 8221 2812 volt. The Dremel 8220 variable speed cordless rotary tool offers the highest performance and versatility of all Dremel cordless rotary tools. The strength of its motor facilitates maximum performance at all speed levels. The ability to use all existing Dremel accessories and attachments let the Dremel. The item number 3 is Dremel 4300 540 High Performance. The Dremel 4300 is the first Dremel rotary tool to allow tool-less and collet-less accessory changes with the inclusion of the 3-jaw chuck. The chuck accepts all Dremel accessory shank sizes for fast and convenient accessory changes without ever using a wrench. Featuring the all-new pivot light, your projects are well lit with an optimum line of sight since the item number 2 is Win 2305 Rotary Tool Kit. 2305 features, Toolkit. Minus 2.3 mm and 3.2 mm collets. Flexible lightweight shaft attachment for precision work. Double insulated. Generic specifications, minus 1.0 amp motor. 8,000 30,000 RPM variable speed. Dimensions, overall height. The item number 1 is Dremel 7300 N/8 Mini Mite 4.8 volt. Cordless small rotary tool, compatible with Dremel bit accessories, 1/8 inch collet small rotary tool ideal for delicate tasks and finer work, 2 speeds, 6,500 and 13,000 revolutions per minute. Lightweight plastic housing includes Mini Mite 7300 N/8 4.8 volt cordless 2-speed rotary tool.